Hey, this is Dusty with Hang and Maintain Vinyl Siding and Windows here in Forsyth, Georgia. Thank you for tuning into this video and going to our channel and looking at this. Maybe this was shared and this is how you've seen it. I ask that you share it again, if you will. Help get these products out there. We're located here in Forsyth, Georgia. We would love to help you. We're trying to drop some knowledge on you so you understand what we're talking about. So today we're talking about the Haven line from Royal Building Products. This is their insulated line. So if you're doing vinyl siding and you really want to go top of the line, I would be looking into insulated vinyl siding. For one, it reduces sound by 45%, has a Class A fire rating, which means it's very resistant to fire. So just those two right there is something that can really contribute to you in the future. One perk that you get with using insulated siding, insulation actually has stuff added into it that helps be resistant to termites and insects. So that can become a problem in certain areas that you live in. I know down here in the South in Georgia where we're located, termites can be a problem. This can help you with that. Let's get into the products though as far as the profiles for just a second. This is your 10-inch board and batten profile. So if you're really trying to go after the look of like a Hardie, but you don't want to have to paint like you do with Hardie, this is going to be a great alternative. It looks just like it. Versus your 7-inch traditional vinyl panel, this is a 10-inch. So it really looks just like the Hardie. And it's a double lifetime warranty. These here are going to be your horizontal panels. This is a 6 and a 7. So if you really want to get that old traditional look, that's a great product to use right there. Same exact thing when it comes to the insulation behind it. 45% noise reduction. All the ratings are exactly the same. You have 160 miles per hour hurricane force rating when it comes to this. So if you live down in Florida or if you live in South Georgia where you get high winds, this is going to be something that can be really valuable to your home. So this will put a good bit of equity back into your house if you was to ever put this on your home versus painting it. So hopefully through this video, this was very informative to you. Maybe you gained some knowledge from this. And hey, if you're here in Forsyth, Georgia, give us a call. We would love to help you because I promise you this can dress your house up. If you will, give us a like, subscribe to our channel, visit our Facebook and our Instagram, and I thank you. Have a good day.